In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a pie chart with percentages in Google Sheets and Excel. First, in Google Sheets, so head over to docs.google.com/spreadsheets. Now here, open up your data or file. So here, make sure that you enter your data in two columns, labels on the left and numbers on the right, or the same with what you see on your screen. Now from here, highlight your data. Then next, in the top toolbar, click on Insert, then click on Chart. This window will then pop up. So as you can see, the chart type is automatically set to pie chart. But if not, make sure that you choose pie chart from the options. Next, switch to the Customize tab and click on the pie chart drop-down menu. Now from here, look for the slice label drop-down menu and change it to percentage. Now here in Excel, it's basically the same thing. So first open up your file in Excel, then highlight your data. The next is click on Insert at the top toolbar. Now from here, look for the pie chart drop-down menu icon and click on it. Then next is your pie chart layout, the 2D, 3D, or donut style. Click your choice. Now click on the chart and you can see here the add button. So click on it. And here make sure that you also enable data labels. So tick the box beside it. Then next is click on this arrow right button beside data labels and click on more options. And when this window popped up under the label options section, make sure that you tick the box beside percentage. And here also make sure that you untick the box beside value for it to be changed to percentage. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!